Hello boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Crush Lusher Television. Alright, today we are doing Vertex Form. Write that down on the top of your page, Vertex Form. And Vertex Form is written like this. Y equals A, and I got X minus H squared plus K. It's called Vertex Form because it's really easy to see the vertex. This is Vertex Form. Also, we've gone over standard form, right? This also, standard form, which is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. That's what we've been working with a lot. Now we're going to go to vertex form. Vertex form is actually a lot easier. Well, how much easier is it to graph and find the vertex? Well, I don't know. What are we going to do? We'll see all this. Let's look at the example. See what I'm circling right here? There's the example, and it's all laid out for you, and here you have what vertex form means. I want you to pause the video, and I want you to write anything you think is important in your notebook right now, including pictures and charts and phrases and sentences, okay? Don't write everything, but write everything you think is important. Ready, set, see if you can learn it on your own. Pause, go. Alright, good, now you got it. Let's try this. Alright, let's look at this. So f of x equals x plus 3 squared minus 2. What is the vertex? No problem. So the vertex is negative 3, negative 2. Okay, negative 3, negative 2. Because I do what's opposite inside the parentheses, that's the left-right shift, and then here on the outside afterwards, that's just straight up what it says. So it says negative 2, so I'm going to go down 2. So it's going to be left 2, negative 3, then down here. So that is your vertex. So that I'm going to write in the middle, negative 3, negative 2. Got it. Okay, so what else do we need? We need 3 points in order to graph. Well, it's called vertex form. We got the vertex really easy. Negative 3, negative 2. We're also going to get the axis of symmetry right here. Axis of symmetry is x equals negative 3. Axis of symmetry. But we need 2 other points. The easiest way to do it is to go to the left and right of the vertex. So I'm going to put negative 2 here, and I'm going to put negative 4 here. Just like a number line. So I'm putting on with the x coordinate that is to the left and to the right. And that's what it said in that example right above it. So negative 2, I need the x, I need the y, so I got to plug it in. So f of negative 2, no problem. So let's plug in here. So negative 2 plus 3 squared minus 2. Alright, so that is 1 squared minus 2. 1 squared is 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. So boom, negative 1. Negative 2, negative 1 is a point. There you go. So we got 2. So we need all 3. We're going to make a parabola. So here's negative 4. So f of negative 4, let's see what we get. So I'm plugging in here. So that's negative 4 plus 3 squared minus 2. Negative 1 squared minus 2. So negative 1 squared is 1 minus 2, which is negative 1 also. Okay. So negative 1 also. Boom. Got it. Make sure it's symmetrical about the axis of symmetry. There you go. And that's a good sketch. I have 3 points ready to go. Alright, now what I want you to do is I want to see if you can do number 2. What is the vertex? Just find the vertex. Ready, set, pause the video. Yeah, you got it? Okay, so the vertex is negative 1, comma 4. So negative 1, 4. Put it right there in the middle. So negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Okay. Axis of symmetry, what is that? That's a little extra, but we're always practicing, always incorporating everything. So axis of symmetry is x equals negative 1 right there. Straight down here on x equals negative 1. Okay, so how do I find my other 2 points? Well, you see the negative 1 here. I'm going to go to the left and the right. So that would be over here and over here. So that's 0 and negative 2. Those are the x. What am I going to do? Plug in to find the y. Okay, let's see what we got. So f of 0 is going to be 0 plus 1 squared plus 4, which is 1 squared plus 4 which is 5. Got it, 0, 5. Also, the y-intercept right there. Okay, that's a little bonus. Cool. All right. So f of negative 2 is negative 2 plus 1 squared plus 4. Okay, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1 squared plus 4, which is just 1 plus 4, which is also 5. So negative 2, 5. Boom. So whoop, whoop. There's my parabola. Looks like that. All right. So now we have 3 and 4. I want you to try these right now, 3 and 4. This one's a little trickier because it has a number here for a, the 2 on the outside of the parentheses. Not too different. I think the vertex is 2, negative 1. Whoop. Little hint. Okay. Try 3 and 4. Ready, set, graph. Pause. Go. All right. Great. Let's see what we got. So we got 2, negative 1 here. When you plug in 1, you got 1. When you plug in 3, you got 1. And over here, what was the vertex? Oh, yeah. 4, negative 5. 4, negative 5. And we got 3, negative 4. And we had 5, negative 4. Then you plot, 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 and you good, good, good. Then you good. All right. Last one. So let's go to third down. Look at this. So I'm going to do one, and you're going to do the other ones. Check it out. So, number 1. Let's see. Vertex. All right. It's in vertex form. Easy to find the vertex. So let's start with this. So I got negative 3, 1. Got it. Y-intercept. Okay, what is the y-intercept? That's when x is 0. Okay, so y equals 0 plus 3 squared plus 1. Okay, so this is 3 squared plus 1, which is 9 plus 1, which is 10. So my y-intercept is 0 for x, 10 for y. So let's start plotting some stuff. Why not? So I got negative 3, 1, boom, and my y-intercept is 0, 10, way up here. Wow, okay. Let's keep answering the questions. Opens it up or down? Well, A is right here, and A is 1, and A is positive, opens up. Okay? Axis of symmetry. Easy. Axis of symmetry is right here. So it's always the x value of the vertex, and so it's right there sitting in my face. There we go. It's got right there x equals negative 3. Okay, got it. Next, zeros. Oh my god. Okay, zeros. Well, if this opens up, whoop, like that, well, is it ever going to touch the axis? Because this part's going to go over here somewhere. No, so there are no zeros whatsoever. Oh, what did I forget to do? So I only have 2 points. I need another point. That's what I forgot. So let's get another point there. So I just drew this other part just to demonstrate that there were no zeros, but I actually need a point somewhere else. So I'm going to put a point over here. So this is negative 4. So x and y. So if I plug in negative 4, what am I going to get? So I'm going to put it in here. So that's going to be negative 4 plus 3 squared plus 1, which is negative 1 squared plus 1, which is 1 plus 1, which is 2. So negative 4 and 2, negative 4 and 2. Bam, there's your third point. 1, 2, 3. All good to go. All right, now, good work. Now I want you to try 2 and 3, and then the ones on the bottom after that. Once you do 2 and 3, all of these right here. These are actually not that challenging because you just got to find the vertex and axis symmetry, and it's kind of right there for you to do. Okay? Nice job. Ready, set, go.